Hi everyone, Dom here from Panasonic Europe, and in this quick video we're going to cover another common question that our customers often ask us about our microwaves. And this question is all around why is it sometimes that my food comes out undercooked after I've used the microwave or the convection oven or a combi mode. Why is that it doesn't seem to get cooked to quite the right level? And to understand that question, we need to think about the four main variables when it comes to cooking food. Number one, the length of time you're using to cook that food. Number two, the power level or temperature you're selecting to cook that food. Number three, how are you cooking that food? What cooking mode are you selecting? And number four, the one people often forget, what type and amount of food are you cooking? And if you're finding that your food is often undercooked, then really, in most cases, it's because you're not cooking it for long enough, or you're not cooking it at the right power level, or you're not cooking it at the right mode for the type of food you're cooking. The good news is, at Panasonic, we provide a whole host of recipes in our operating instructions for each microwave model or kitchen product model. We've also got a dedicated website called Experience Fresh that gives you a whole host of different recipes designed around your specific product. So you know when it comes to choosing the power level or choosing the cooking mode, you're going to get the same results from the website as you will from your product. So hopefully that helps when it comes to finding out what went wrong if your food is undercooked. For more information, as I say, do have a look at that Experience Fresh website. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.